Today we are changing a battery in this Ford Mustang. This one's a 2012, but it applies to other years as well. Unless it has been modified, you will only need an 8mm socket and wrench for this job. A battery terminal cleaner will also be useful if it looks like this. Hand and eye protection is critical when working on batteries because the acid can burn and blind you. The original battery group size is 96R. Sometimes you can use a different battery, but just make sure the positive and negative are in the same spots. On newer models, this battery will be on a plastic case, and you will have to loosen 3 plastic screws by hand to remove the cover. After you've cleaned the battery, start by plugging in a memory saver if you have one. Loosen and disconnect the negative terminal first. If you're curious as to why you do that one first, check out our battery basics video. Put that negative terminal somewhere where it won't touch anything positively charged or the negative battery post. Next, remove the positive post and move it out of the way too. Remove the battery hold down, which is held in place by a tall, narrow 8mm bolt. If your battery has it, remove the insulation now. Once you remove the hold down, the battery can be removed from the car. Right now is the best time to check your terminals and see if they are clean and in good enough shape to reuse. Put the new battery in place, making sure that the posts are in the same orientation, and then bolt it in with the hold down. Install the insulation if you are choosing to do so. Attach the positive terminal and then tighten it until the terminal is no longer loose on the post. You can now connect the negative terminal, but make sure the negative wires aren't caught on anything first. The smaller of the two wires is prone to getting caught on things. Tighten the negative clamp just like you did the positive one. Final steps. Put the positive terminal cover back on, put any trim back, and make sure you didn't leave any tools laying around under the hood. Disconnect the memory saver if you used it and you're ready to get back to driving that Mustang. Thanks for watching all the way through to the end. If you're more curious about batteries, I've got a video covering the basics of battery maintenance. I'll put it up on the screen here. I've got all kinds of other cool videos. I'd really appreciate it if you checked them out. If you do, I'll see you there.